This is the most neglected state capital in southeast Nigeria, if not the entire country. Umuahia is the capital of Abia State in southeast Nigeria, with a population projected to be over 780,000. Prior to its status as the state capital, Umuahia was renowned for being a railway and agricultural market center, which attracts traders and farmers from neighboring towns such as Abriba, Ohafia, Arochukwu, Obo, Ngwa, Okigwe, Uzuakoli, Bende, among others, to sell their farm produce such as yam, cassava, corn, palm oil, and palm kernel. Umuahia lies halfway between the city of Enugu in the north and Port Harcourt in the south. What is today known as Umuahia was established by the British colonial administration of Nigeria in the early 20th century. On the 28th of September 1967, Umuahia was declared the second capital of the short-lived Republic of Biafra, after the first capital, Enugu, was captured. Umuahia served as the capital of the defunct Biafra from September 1967 to December 1969, making it the longest serving capital city of Biafra. In August 1991, after the creation of Abia State from the old Imo State, Umuahia was made the capital of the new state. However, little or nothing has been done to change the face of the capital city. There is little or no government presence. Umuahia has continued to live under the shadow of Aba, the largest city and the commercial center of Abia State. Today, Umuahia is made up of two local government areas, which are Umuahia North and Umuahia South, while the capital state is made up of 5 clans, which are Ubakala, Olokolo, Umuapala, Ohoho, and Ibeku. Umuahia has a tropical climate. During most months of the year, there is significant rainfall in Umuahia. There is only a short dry season which begins in November and ends in February, while the rainy season begins in the month of March and ends in October. Travelers who wish to visit Umuahia can go by air using either Simon Bakwe Airport in Ngopala, Imo State, Akanu International Airport in Enugu, or Port Harcourt International Airport in Rivers State, or by bus from any part of the country. Although most roads in Umuahia are not wide, the state capital has a good road network and a low population density compared to other cities in southeastern Nigeria. This makes the capital city to have free flow of traffic. Buses and tricycle, popularly known as keke, are used as the major means of transportation, while okada are used in some parts of the city. The city of Umuahia has a thriving nightlife, although it can be compared to other cities in southeastern Nigeria. As a visitor coming to Umuahia, there are a few places of interest to visit, like the National War Museum Umuahia, the Ojukwu Bunker, the Gate of Umuahia, a popular market in the city center, Amakama Wooden Cave, and lastly, the Abia Tower. Other things one can do in Umuahia is to attend the cultural festival like the Igbo Masquerade Festival, which is celebrated annually in January. The annual Iwaji Festival of Igbo people, which is celebrated in Umuahia between the months of August and September in most of the villages that make up the state capital. Umuahia is an interesting place that needs serious government attention, and I hope the new government of Abia State will do something to change the face of the state capital. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe to the channel. See you in my next episode.
I don't know what it means, but there's a smile